You ever get that sinking feeling that your tech skills are going out of date faster than you can possibly learn them? Well, in this explainer, we're going to tear down that old, broken model of tech education. We're going to show you a new, agile way that makes sure what you learn today is actually still relevant tomorrow.
Let me guess. The answer is probably a big yes, right? You sign up for a course, you're all excited to learn the latest and greatest, and then you find out the material is already a year, maybe 2 years behind. It's so frustrating. And it's a huge problem when technology is changing in the blink of an eye.
So, what's the deal? Why does this keep happening? Well, the root of the problem is something we can call the outdated classroom, a whole system that was really built for a much slower world.
Okay, so at the very heart of this whole mess is the traditional courseware development cycle. It's this very methodical, step-by-step process, and it's incredibly slow and linear. Just think of it like an old-fashioned assembly line for building a course, one piece at a time, slowly.
And look, this is way more than just an inconvenience. It's a genuine disservice to anyone trying to learn. I mean, by the time a course finally gets out the door, the technology it's supposed to be teaching might have completely changed, or worse, it's already obsolete. You end up learning yesterday's solutions for tomorrow's problems.
Now, if you thought that was bad, just wait. Let's take a look at the world of official industry certifications. This is where the problem doesn't just get worse, it gets magnified like crazy. And I've got to say, the source material just nails it with this phrase because it is so true. The problem is on steroids. That slow, clunky development cycle we just talked about, it gets piled high with layers and layers of bureaucracy and red tape. I mean, just look at this timeline. A year, sometimes even more, from the very beginning to the final rollout. It starts with analyzing the job. 4 months later, you've got a blueprint. 8 months in, you're developing questions until finally, a year or more down the line, it's out. You know, a year in the tech world, that's basically an eternity. And this is why it takes so long. It's what you could call a bureaucratic gauntlet. Every single one of these steps, from the first analysis to writing what they call legally defensible questions, to make sure they're fair, just adds another delay. The key thing to realize here is that the system isn't slow by accident. It's actually designed to be this way.
And this is where things get really serious. We're not just talking about wasting time anymore. In a field like cybersecurity, for example, learning from an old manual could mean you miss a critical new threat. So using old information isn't just irrelevant, it can be downright dangerous.
Okay, enough of the doom and gloom. There has to be a better way, right? Well, there is. So let's totally shift gears from the problem and talk about a really innovative solution. It's time to talk about a new way to learn. So just imagine this. What if your training was always current, like up to the minute current? What if the content was directly relevant to your specific job? And get this, what if it could all be developed in just hours or days, not those long months we were just talking about? Well, that's not some hypothetical question. It's the real deal. It's the exact model that's been pioneered by organizations like Virtualization Options LLC. They've basically re-engineered the whole process from the ground up.
And the difference is just stark. It's night and day. The old way is slow, one size fits all, and it gets obsolete almost immediately. The new way, it's fast, it's constantly updated, and it's customized for what you actually do. This isn't just a small improvement, it's a total transformation.
So who is the driving force behind this whole revolution in tech education? Well, to really understand the solution, you've got to meet the innovator.
This new model is the brainchild of founder Bob Slovic. And what's so critical to understand here is that he's not some outsider just criticizing the system. No, he has lived and breathed every frustrating piece of that broken cycle. That gave him the unique insight he needed to fix it from the inside out.
And his experience is incredibly deep. As a trainer, he watched students struggle with old material. As a courseware developer, he felt that friction of the slow process firsthand. His expertise cuts across cloud, security, AI, you name it, so he knew exactly where the old system was failing in the most critical, fast-moving fields.
So, how does all this work in practice? Let's get to the final and, I think, most exciting part, how you can get access to this new way of learning right now.
It all happens at the Lifelong Learning Portal. You can find it right at bobslovic.com.
And when you get there, you are going to find hundreds
of courses, all of them freely available right this second. This isn't some marketing gimmick. It is a massive, living, breathing library of content that you can start using today.
The value here is just immense. You'll find courses on cutting-edge tech and AI, but also on non-technical subjects. New content is being posted every single week, and the older stuff gets updated constantly. This is what an agile, top-tier learning ecosystem is supposed to look like.
So we'll end with this question to think about. Is your organization's knowledge, are your skills really keeping pace with technology? In a world that moves this fast, falling behind just isn't an option. But the good news is, now you know exactly where to find a solution that won't let you.